Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to draw line Canva all methods. Open your presentation in Canva. There, click on the Draw menu on the side. Then click on Pen and draw your line by pressing the Shift key. After this, select the highlighter. Click on Color to define which color you will use for the line. Again, by pressing the Shift key, draw the line. In addition to this method, open Elements. There, in the Shapes section, click on the line. This will be added to the presentation. You can move it to the desired position. To edit it, click on Line Color. You can select a solid color or a gradient color. Now click on Line Style. It will be possible to choose the style for the line in Canva. There, if you wish, configure the ends of the line and define its weight. From the line ending option, we can establish how the end of our line will look. Likewise, from line start, we can establish the design at the beginning. Finally, you can add a line in Canva by pressing the letter L on your keyboard. There, you will see the line available to be edited. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.